Are you tired of creating funnels? Wouldn't it be easier if there was a platform that allows you to pay so much less, get the job done way faster? You get some results? Click the link down below and you will find out more about this opportunity. All the marketing tools in one platform. Check out the link down below. I don't even need that many things, but they do have it. Perhaps they have everything you need in one place for just $30 a month. 30, and that's it. Check it out for free. Each and every service provided costs so much money if you go somewhere else. This platform provides you everything all in one. That's the next $100 million company, and now it's time for you to take advantage of this platform because now is the best time to join. Click the link down below and check it out. Just check it out. There is a 7-day free trial. If you take action right now and sign up in 10 minutes, you can start building your empire online.